चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी माई फर्स्ट वीडियो and this will be my first video, and thank you for everything, and we will continue like this. Thank you. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. इस लेक्चर में हम जानते हैं ट्रेडिंग क्या होता है, उसके टाइप्स क्या होते हैं और इन्वेस्टिंग क्या होता है. उसमें कुछ टाइप्स आते हैं, वो क्या होता है. चलिए जानते हैं विथ एग्जांपल्स. Actually, trading basically buying and selling of stocks or shares in a certain time period. For a certain time period, it's called trading. मतलब शेयर्स को बाई करना और सेल करना for a month or week or for years, that's called trading. Or even a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, you can choose whatever you want. That's called a trading. And there are three types of traders. The first one is day trader, and also called intraday trader, and the second one is scalper. And the third one is going to be a swing trader. There are three types of trading. Let's learn little more about this type of traders. And trader, the first one is going to be a day trader. In this, day trader is nothing but one who initiates or buying and closes, means selling the position during the day. During the same day, he buy and sell the shares or stocks in a day. That's called day trading. For example, if I buy 100 shares of TCS, at morning 9:15, and if I for 2212 rupees, and if I sell them at 3 p.m. or evening at 3 p.m. For 2220 rupees, and that making a net profit of 800 rupees in this trade. You can day trader can do also 3 to 4 or 5 to 6 trades in a day. Whatever, it depends on them. These are the types, and for these are the examples. And let's move for the second types of the trader. Second type of the trader. The second type of trader is scalper. In this trading, the risk is high. What is a scalper means uh, if I buy a very large quantity of if I buy a very large quantity of shares of whichever company you want for a less time period. This is called scalping. Example के लिए, if I buy 10,000 shares of TCS for 2212 rupees at morning 9:20 a.m., and if I sell them at 9:21 a.m. For a minute, if I sell them for 2122.1 rupees, that makes me profit of 1,000 rupees in a single minute. That's why if you earn 1,000 rupees in a minute, you can also lose 1,000 rupees in minutes. And that's why it's a highly risky mode. So this is called scalping or scalper. And the third one is swing trader. Swing trader is nothing but one who buy and holds their shares for a longer period, like months, or for a longer period like like a weeks or months, or even it could be a years. That could be a swing trading. For example, if I buy 100 shares of TCS as at 2212 rupees on the 3rd June of 2024, and if I sell them at 2212 rupees after a week at 10th June 2024, in a week I made 200 rupees as a net profit. This is a trading. Let's move for the investing. Is nothing but buying a shares and holding a shares for a very long period, like for years, 10 years, or forever. It depends on them. buying and holding stocks or shares for a very long time period. That's called investing. There are two types of investors. First one is growth investors, and uh, second one is a value investor. Let's learn a little more about this type of investors. The value investors are nothing but the value investor is nothing but the value investors, uh, one who identify the good company, which is in a growth phase, which is in a growth phase, or which is in a growth phase or mature phase, but beaten down significantly due to market sentiment. इसका मतलब ये है कि एक कंपनी को आइडेंटिफाई करना जो पहले अच्छा, मतलब जो भी पहले अपना पीक टाइम पे था, बट ड्यू टू नेगेटिव मार्केट सेंटिमेंट वो डाउन हो जाता है, उसके शेयर प्राइस गिर जाते हैं। ऐसा कंपनी को आइडेंटिफाई करने को वैल्यू इन्वेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू इन्वेस्टर कहते हैं। For example, the L&T company in 2013 beaten down significantly from 1200 to 1600, 1200 to 1600 due to short term negative sentiment, or market negative sentiment, or news, or something else. But in stock market is when in that same company in 2014 scaled up to 1400, scaled up to the same company in 2014 scaled up to 1400. This is called a value investing. Growth investors are those who identify the good company which are expected to be grow significantly the cause of emerging trends or macro trends, and this type of investing, and this type of investors called growth investors. And what is the difference between a trader and investor? Trader one who take a risk, one who have a risk taking ability. Investor one who have a patience to hold the stocks for a very long time period. He has a patience and he has a risk, and he has a patient, he has a risk, and he has a patience. This is my first video. If I make a mistake, just pardon me.